If you need to remove a card from your American Express account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, look for the Account Services or Manage Cards section in the menu. This is where you can find options related to your cards. Step 3. Select the card to remove. In the Manage Cards section, you will see a list of your cards. Click on the card you wish to remove to access its settings. Step 4. Choose the Remove option. Look for an option that says Remove Card or Cancel Card. Click on this option to initiate the removal process. Step 5. Confirm your decision. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to remove the card. Review any information provided and confirm your decision to finalize the removal. Once you have completed these steps, your card will be successfully removed from your American Express account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.